Welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a silhouette in Canva. So here I've already added a photo on my Canva editor page, and then I'm going to make it looks like a silhouette. So what you need to do is click on the photo and then remove the background first. I'm going to remove the background, click edit image, and then click on background remover. Okay, click on apply, and then next I'm going to still on the edit image page, scroll down until you find the duotone option, and then I'm going to choose the fuchsia like this, and then I'm going to adjust the duotones. The highlights, I'm going to change it into black, and also the shadow into black like this. Okay, and then click on apply. Okay, now I'm going to add some background, some sunset background to it. Click on the photos and then find a sunset photo that you think will suit your photo the best. I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to make the sunset photo as background, and then I'm going to adjust the precision like this. So I think it's already fine, but I'm going to edit again, and then I'm going to use the auto enhance option like so. Okay, wait for the process to finish. Okay, so the auto enhance is already applied. So just like this, your silhouette photo has been created. It's so easy, right? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. See you all in the next contents. Bye bye.